We're gonna step them off.
Sorry.
So there's a bird up here. So a bird is at McDonald's, in the McDonald's playground. Where is it? I don't want it to kill me. Oh, there it is. It's stuck here, like it doesn't know where to go. All it can do is just fly. It has no food. I really want to catch it and save it and just like throw it out here. Well, I'll just kill it because it's gonna die anyway, so. Oh my god. I don't want it to come. Oh guys, I don't know if I should get up close. I'm scared. Don't scare me. Get up. Oh, are you sure you're out there? You want to try to... Alright, let's get up close. Like, let's actually get in. Oh shoot. This thing is going everywhere. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. It's right there. Should I like run for it? Oh shoot. Oh my. Throw it. Oh shoot. That thing scares me. It's over there. That's the end of the video. Well, so my little brother tried to throw that thing right there, metal piece, at the bird.
Well, don't end it, Sebastian.
What?
Okay. My brother might continue.
I don't know if I should go up to the bird.
If you want
It's
to see
like
the
right
rest of
where
the
they-
video, watch our
Where is
next
it?
video. Chapter 2.
Alright guys, so that would be the end of the video because this bird is going everywhere. So, bye.